Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. I have a Leslie 122. Leslie 122 amplifier on the desk. Now, as you can see, it's very dirty. Well, I get a lot of them in like this. So what I will do is I will start off by cleaning the chassis of this amplifier. I have tub of towels here. Already got one out. So that's what I'll be doing to begin with. Let me see if I can turn this over. So you can see what it looks like underneath. Cut on some more light for you. There you go. Looks relatively clean underneath. Of course, I'll clean it more. This is going to be a great looking amplifier when I get finished with it. All right, so that's enough. Let me go ahead and get started. And once I clean it, and of course, I will refurbish this amp. Test all of the resistors and replace the ones that need to be replaced. And most definitely get rid of those black cats and those green Cornell Dubiliar capacitors, the cathode bypass capacitor. I'll replace that and assess my high voltage rectifier board there. Check those diodes. And as I look here, okay, there is no resistor there. The wire there. I'm gonna install a wire round resistor for inrush current on this high voltage rectifier board. I'll do that. That's a 5 watt, that's an 8 ohm 5 watt resistor. So I'll take care of that and then test it out, try it out, see what happens. Look at that potentiometer relay there. Yeah, that looks dark. So I'll check it out. Check that out. All right, so let me get busy. I got some work to do and a project to do it on. Till the next video, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.